It's Sin once again, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, y'all, before I get started, I do want to shout out myself for this t-shirt right here. The TshirtChick Master the T-shirt Business t-shirt right here. Or on my website, you can find it as the TshirtChick Albino t-shirt. So you can go to TshirtChickTV.com if you are interested in purchasing this shirt or any other merch that I offer. And also, if you need help with the t-shirt business as far as forms, I sell forms on my business website, which is IamPrintSquad.com. If you go to IamPrintSquad.com, you will see on there I also offer consultations, in-person consultations. If you need an in-person consultation, you just contact me by email and I'll get back with you. And I also sell sublimated transfers. So if any of those are things that you may need, check out my website, IamPrintSquad.com. Okay, so today I'm going to be opening up some packages right here. I got 2 packages from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead. Ooh, that one almost fell. I'm going to go ahead, sit it here on the counter, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my knife from over here so I can go ahead and open it. Alright, so this is what I have right here, and this is horrible packaging right here. I mean, it is like pretty much tore open right here. So I don't know if y'all know what that is yet. I'm gonna just move it over to the side, and I'm gonna grab this other one right here. Go ahead, open it up. Alright, so one of the things I got right here, another SD card for my camera, 128 gigabytes right there. Put that to the side. And bubble wrap, y'all know. And right here, let me let y'all see what is in this box right here. Okay, go ahead, open it up. Alright. So it's a little stand right here. As you see right there, it's a stand. And right here, the main event of the whole thing right here is my label printer right there. It's a Josie label printer right here, as you see. Alright, so I decided it's time for me to get a label printer so that I can package my items better and more efficiently and stuff. So this the one that I chose. I'll leave a link for it on Amazon so that in case you're interested in it and any of the other products that I have here. The reason that I chose the Josie is because, you know, it had pretty decent reviews and it wasn't over $200, because a lot of these things on there are very expensive. They did have one other one that I was going to look into that was a little bit cheaper than this. I'll also leave the link down below the video for that too. But I was interested in that one. But this one, I kind of had my mind set on it once I read the reviews, did the research and stuff like that. But the other one, I was like, you know what, this one may be a good one too. But I chose this one, so I'll let you guys know how everything goes with it. And hopefully everything will work out with it. And one of the things that, as far as with the reasons why I got this is because I'm trying to do more online stuff, and it's just more convenient if you can print everything out and ship it yourself. And I had been printing it with the labels at home, like on my computer or on my laser printer here at the shop, but that just gets hectic, and then you have to like cut the stuff out and size it so that it'll fit on your box and stuff like that, and that just was becoming hectic. Another thing I would like to do is to ship better. Like right now, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using to ship. Like right here, I'm using these poly mailers, and I'm just like sticking the shirt inside of the poly mailer like you see this shirt right here. So I want to do more and do better packaging. So I'm not really like a big person who's into like the decorating and the fashion and stuff like that. Like when I wrap Christmas presents, I don't even put the ribbon on it most of the time, or sometimes I don't even wrap them. So I just need a little bit of assistance. I want y'all to give me some ideas down below this video to let me know some ideas of what I can do to do better packaging. Like, you know, some of the things that y'all may do, or some of the packages that y'all have received. I do have some ideas, and I have ordered some things with that, but I'm still looking for ideas. I don't have nothing set in stone yet, but I would like help from you guys as far as, you know, better packaging and stuff like that. Some things that impress y'all from other people and stuff like that. But I appreciate your help with this packaging situation. So, alright, I thought I was filming y'all, but anyway, it came with this right here. It came with some labels already right here, and some wipes, some cleaning wipes, and it came with this AC adapter and the power block right there. Both of those. The power block was in this white box right here. Sorry I didn't get to open it. This other cable was in here. So we got these two right here. And here's the printer right here. It comes with the printer. And right here it comes with the cable for the USB cable. And right here, y'all, checking this out. This is not a off-brand. This branding is nice right here, y'all. Y'all can check this out. And this was not the cheapest, you know, this was not the cheapest label printer. Right here it does say that it's 203 DPI high resolution. It says more commercial and household thermal printers will be coming out. Please stay tuned. So I'm gonna let y'all see if, you know, if I like this, then I will let you guys know if I have any issues with it. But I'm really liking it. I think it's a nice box that comes with it. You know how we was little kids, we used to like to play with the boxes. But alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all check out this actual printer. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. This is the top of it right here. That's like the little paper feeder. It got like a little part of the label in here, I guess, so that you can see how it prints. Here's the power switch on it. It's got the power adapter and where you would plug the USB cable right here. And also you push this. It says push on both sides, so push, see what happens when we push. It's not doing anything as of yet. Maybe okay, there it is. You push it and now you can open it up. Okay, so it's not gonna hold itself up, don't look like. It looks like this part, you have to hold that up. It's gonna fall back down. You have to hold that part up. Okay, so it does have this label, I guess, to just show you how it prints. It's got the little arms right here for the size of paper that you're using, so you can adjust it to fit whatever size of paper you're using. Alright, so I'm not going to try it out today because like I was saying, I don't have anything to print out today. But this is what everything is looking like. And like I was saying, I'm going to leave the links down below this video just in case y'all are interested in purchasing a label maker just like this one. And I will be doing an update in a future video to let you guys know what everything is looking like and, you know, how it's printing and everything. But I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up video and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.